hope you're well and thanks for joining me in my kitchen. So today we are making the most popular, it's the cheese and jalapeno samosas. If you enjoyed this video, do give me a thumbs up. And if this is your first time, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with new recipes every week. And with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so in our preheated oil, I am going to add in the onions and we are going to cook these till they're nice and soft. So the onions are ready, so we can add in our chicken now. I'm going to cover and cook on medium heat until the water's evaporated. Okay, so now that's all ready for me to now add in the ginger and garlic paste, the cumin powder, black pepper, salt as well, and that's to taste, the chilies, the peppers, so in that goes, and the jalapeno sauce. And we're going to switch that off and I'm going to leave that aside for it to cool, and then we're going to add in the cheeses. Okay, so that's nice and cool, and now I'm going to add in the cream cheese, cheddar cheese, coriander leaves, I've chopped that up, and also the spring onions. And then we're going to give that a good stir. Show you how to fill them. So what you do is you just fold it like this. And then you fold it over like that, so you get a point there. And just get about a teaspoon of your filling. Just fold it like this, so we get a point here. Keep it tight on the edges, so you don't leave any big holes. And then fold it again like that. And then we got our paste, and then just brush that over like this. And fold that over, and there you go. Okay, so here's some that I've done. First, just dip that in the egg, and then just put breadcrumbs all over it. Make sure it's all covered properly.